Solar fence lights can add ambience and enhance the safety of a lawn, garden, pool, or patio space. Their batteries use energy captured from sunlight. No cords or power cables are required. Over the course of the day, they store this energy and then convert it into useful light in the evening. In this video, we'll review the best SOLPEX solar light, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different bright solar lights. By the end, you'll know exactly why SOLPEX Solar Lights is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The SOLPEX Solar Lights are an upgraded, reliable, and stylish outdoor lighting solution designed to bring both functionality and beauty to your outdoor spaces. Featuring a new and improved design, these solar in-ground lights offer a longer service life and extended illumination time compared to older models, ensuring consistent performance night after night. Each light is equipped with 8 high-quality LED bulbs that automatically adjust their brightness based on the surrounding light conditions, creating a soft and welcoming glow that enhances your lawn, garden, patio, flower beds, or walkway. Perfect for multiple outdoor scenes, these lights are ideal for highlighting landscaping features or adding a sense of safety and elegance to pathways, driveways, and yards. Built with a combination of durable stainless steel and high-performance plastic housing, the SOLPEX solar lights are waterproof, rust-resistant, and weatherproof, making them a dependable choice for year-round use in any climate. The fully solar-powered design eliminates the need for wiring or complicated installation, making setup quick and hassle-free. Simply place them in a sunny spot, and they will automatically charge during the day and turn on at night, providing efficient, eco-friendly lighting that saves on energy costs. The included rechargeable battery ensures reliable operation, while the sleek, low-profile design allows the lights to blend seamlessly into any outdoor environment. In addition to their impressive performance and ease of use, SOLPEX offers responsive after-sales support, giving customers peace of mind and a positive purchase experience. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal, add a decorative touch to your landscaping, or enhance safety by lighting dark pathways, the SOLPEX solar lights deliver exceptional value. Combining modern style, eco-conscious technology, and durable construction, these upgraded lights are a smart investment for anyone wanting attractive, low-maintenance outdoor lighting. Thanks for watching the video.